world, YouTube. I put up some new cabinets, but being I live in a camp house, things are not always as they appear. I just wanted to put cabinets up there. Where the tall cabinet is, that's where a doorway was at one time. There's no framework to hold the cabinet, so I had to go with this. But got all my spices set up for my cooking right there. No, we ain't going in that one. The price of cabinets is, well, the upper cabinets were $70 a piece. At Railroad Salvage, El Dorado. This tall sucker was $239. Then they wanted an additional $10 for each of 4 shelves I put in it. But it's worth it. It's up there. It don't look too bad. Have a good day.